Sweet.
Watch out. Why are you like magnetized to the fucking end? Wait, oh wait, I'm meant to be throwing this one in.
Oh!
I just remembered that.
You made.
What? Oh.
I'm gonna end your life. I'm gonna kill you.
You jumped on the bucket!
Because you were pushing me to a fucking corner, you twat!
Why are they just bits of body?
I don't know what the fuck happened here, but it just looks like any like corporate office in Blizzard.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's just men because all the women have the rules.
Is that why they all blew up? Because there was no women around?
Yeah, they all killed themselves. In a box!
Well, is the box full?
No, it's one of these!
Yeah, this box has shit in it.
But look at this!
Hang on.
How do you put it in?
There you go. There you go.
That is not. That is just not what it's intended to be. That is just not.
Oh, he disappeared.
Oh.
I'm gonna fucking shoot myself. I tipped both buckets over.
Yo, bitch!
What?
You get your own fucking area. Just get the fuck out.
Me.
Fucking yo,
Oh!
okay. Oh! Get fucking domed!
What
Get
happened?
fucking domed, loser.
He killed me.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Can I drop my own log thing?
Huh?
Can I drop my own log?
I don't know, Kira.
Like in the normal buckets.
Will this fit? No, it'll fit. Just shut the
Alright.
door. Yeah, yeah, it's all fine.
You sure? Fuck
Okay,
you,
Tracy.
sign.
Alright, I'm taking. Okay, I'm not dropping this. I'm moving forward.
Oh, you can hit. Oh! No!
I can't pick it up, Ash.
What are you doing to my bucket?
There you go.
Now pick it up and take it
Okay.
down the fucking stairs.
Please.
What? 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 My bucket! It just went into the...
It's right here.
Oh!
What?
What do you mean, what? Holy shit! What do you...
The bucket's right here.